Divide. Write a mixed number for the answer when appropriate. So if the answer becomes an improper fraction, we'll rewrite that as a mixed number. So the easiest way to do these is to convert the mixed numbers to improper fractions first and then divide. So we're going to do 3 1/2, which is equal to 3 times the denominator plus the numerator over the original denominator. So this is going to be 7 over 2. 1 1/6. 1 times 6 plus 1 over 6, which is going to give us 7 over 6. So now we have 7 over 2 divided by 7 over 6. To divide, we flip and multiply. So this is equal to 7 over 2 times 6 over 7. And we're going to multiply straight across 7 times 6 over 2 times 7. We share that we have a common factor in the numerator and denominator of 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 7 divided by 7 is 1. We also see that 6 and 2 share a factor of 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 2 divided by 1 is 1. So this is going to give us 1 times 3 over 1 times 1, which is just 3 over 1. Anything divided by 1 is going to be itself, so our answer is just 3. Alright, so 2 3/4 is equal to 2 times 4 plus 3 divided by 4, which is 8 plus 3, 11 over 4. 1 1/8 is going to be 1 times 8 plus 1 over 8, which will be 9 over 8. So 11 over 4 divided by 9 over 8. In order to divide fractions, we flip and multiply. So 11 over 4 times 8 over 9. This is going to give us 11 times 8 over 4 times 9. We see 8 and 4 share a factor of 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So we get 11 times 2 over 1 times 9, which is going to give us 22 over 9. Since this is an improper fraction, we want to divide in order to make this a mixed number. So 22 divided by 9. 9 goes into 22 2 times here. So this is going to give us 2 times 9 is 18. All right, and then we do 22 minus 18, which would give us 4. So we have an answer of 2 4/9. All right, we want to divide again here. So let's take 1 2/3 and convert that. 1 times 3 plus 2 divided by 3, which is going to give me 5 over 3. 8 3/4, which equals 8 times 4 plus 3 over 4, which is going to be 32 plus 3, which gives us 35 over 4. So I have 5/3 divided by 35 over 4. And to divide, we want to flip and multiply straight across. So 5/3 times 4 over 35. So we see that this is 5 times 4 over 3 times 35. 5 and 35 share a factor of 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 35 divided by 5 is 7. So this gives us 1 times 4 over 3 times 7, which is going to be 4 over 21. Since this is not an improper fraction, our numerator is smaller than our denominator. That's actually our final answer. Alright, and last but not least here, 7 1/2 is going to be 7 times 2 plus 1 over 2, which is 14 plus 1, so 15 over 2. 1 3/4 will be 1 times 4 plus 3 over 4, which is going to give me 7 over 4. So 15 over 2 divided by 7 over 4. To divide fractions, we want to flip and multiply. Always flip the second one, so 15 over 2 times 4 over 7. So this gives us 15 times 4 over 2 times 7. We see that 4 and 2 share a factor of 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So this is going to give us 15 times 2 over 1 times 7, which is 30 over 7. Since this is an improper fraction, the numerator is larger than the denominator, we want to divide to simplify. So 7 goes into 30 4 times, which is going to be 28. Do our subtraction here with a remainder of 2, so we have 4 and 2 sevens.